Follow me.
ASU is also called mini ADS. The dielectric structure is better for the wet and salty weather. If your installation place is colder, say, the ASU cable is really good choice. Compared with the mini figure 8 cable, the ASU cable is without any mechanical material, so it is lightweight, can save much transport and labor fee, and easy for the wet and hot weather, not easy to dusting. Compared with the GYFXTY cable, the S cable, the FRP straight member is much closer to get the bigger tensor ability. There are two pieces. FRP straight member is half surrounding the locking tube, so it can protect the locking tube better if we hold the cable by the FRP side.